what's up, people? Welcome to Riding on Ruby. Well, kind of the spur of the moment thing, I decided to take Ruby in for the afternoon routes. It's sunny, kind of windy, but who cares? And it's kind of a weird thing going on. You know, I guess last night this condo over there, if you can see that, had some kind of a power outage. So I just got a call right before I left the house saying that they're going to turn the power off in about 90 minutes, and then it could be off up to about 4 hours. So I hope that's not true, or I hope it doesn't affect, you know, my area. Maybe it's just going to be just for them or something, I don't know. But we'll find out, because I got all these timers for the floodlights and all that. I'll have to reset everything. So anyways, I just grabbed, at the last minute, I grabbed the full face. I'll put a picture in so you can see the setup. I made a little mini video, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to email that or not. But one way or the other, I'll get either the picture or the little video up on it. And you know, I just don't know what the camera angle is usually on the GoPro when it's on here. When it's on the chest, you pretty much know where it's gonna be. Alright, let's go. This is the first time riding with these new pegs. You hear that? Woo woo, that's my back. Camera. Alright, see, they got, well, it looks like they might be done, so that's cool, but they got trucks all over the place. Let's go. I have this, I gotta move the camera. Alright, I had to pull the shield on. Get out of the road, squirrel. Oh, here's a baby. Let me hang back here for a couple seconds. Oh, maybe it's not a baby, it's just a bum. Go ahead. That's okay. Wow. It's all this traffic. These foot pegs do stick out a little bit further, so when I put my feet down, I could feel I'm hitting them. So let's go. I don't know, it's probably like 60 degrees right now. Traffic. Tomorrow, let's see, today's what, Tuesday? Yeah, so tomorrow we're gonna have rain all day Wednesday, and then maybe Thursday, part of Thursday. So the wind's still, you can still probably hear the wind in this full face. But I'll find out when I start editing it. I have to load it into the iPad through this Vivitar mobile reader. And then once it's in there, then I do all my editing in some free app from iTunes called iMovie Maker, and it's pretty simple, but it's got stuff, you know, music. You can split it, slow it down, speed it up, put videos, pictures in there, whatever. But you can't do the, well, when I upload it to YouTube, it won't let me do the custom thumbnail and or the end screen, you know, with the videos for the end of the thing. It won't let me do that. It doesn't even like give you the option. So I have to get out my crappy Chromebook, which is junk. But when I go to the YouTube studio there, it gives me the options to do all that other stuff. Alright, now while we stopping over here, people, we're going up a hill. Nice road. It's not too bad. I got on like a thermal shirt and a Sturgis 23 Sturgis Rally t-shirt over that, and then I got the mesh coat, and the wind just goes right through the mesh coat, but it's not bad. It's just a tad on the chilly side. I think next Monday and Tuesday is supposed to be like near 80. So we got this, and it was like 30 degrees this morning, 30 degrees yesterday morning. I think it's still going to be like 30 in the morning tomorrow. And then all of a sudden we're going to jump to 80. It's crazy, like here in Connecticut this time of the year. Man, look at this. Everywhere you go, there's work. Oh, yeah. Put down all these fucking tar snakes. And they're fresh. I'm going easy. You know what? I might even just go home the long way. This used to be all beautiful farmland, and now look what they got up here. Paved paradise, put up a stupid building. But yeah, you got all these buildings just sitting around. It's shut down years ago, becoming dilapidated. Well, go fix them all. Oh, we can't because there's too much asbestos. So we'll just tear down 25,000 acres of nice fresh land where all the animals need to go, and we'll just build a new warehouse. Welcome to America, the land of the greedy. I hope this thing's still recording. If I said the wrong word, I usually don't use the voice control, but I am today. So if I said that, you know, S-T-O-P word, it might have did it itself. I'll find out in a minute. Well, I don't see. Jim said he was going to bring his 67 Chevelle today. Well, I'm parking right here. He told us we could park here. Oh, I found neutral. You're sharing. I don't know if Al's going to take his bike, so let me give him room. Alright, there's the helmet. Can you see it? Well, these foot pegs did pretty good. Nice. Nice and chromy. Alright, people. I guess that's it. Let me open up this thing. Alright, people. Let's see. Tonight, Sick Bastard has a live premiere going at 6, I believe. And, well, 6 my time anyways. And then I think it was Sterling Wheels has one for 7, or somebody else, I can't remember, sorry. But if my power is working when I get home, then I'll probably watch you guys, and I won't post this until Wednesday. Alright, people, as usual, like, subscribe, hit the ding-a-ling bell. See you in the next video. Be safe, people. Peace.